Now we're going to cover using targets in the AdStage add-on for Google Sheets. Targets let you get data back for specific accounts, folders, or even campaigns or ad groups, but we're going to cover these two in the training. So if we start with the basic formula in our spreadsheet here, we're then just going to add targets. So all the way at the bottom, you'll see this option here. So let's start by targeting a folder. So to target a folder, you always have to add this language here, the /network/AdStage/folder, and then you're going to add your folder ID. Now to find your folder ID, in AdStage you can just go to the Campaign tab, pick the folder you're interested in, and then you'll see we put the ID right here in the URL. So there should be 2 paused campaigns in this folder. So let's go ahead and add the ID. And now I should get 2 campaigns back. Ta-da. So that's how you can target a folder. Now it's very similar if you want to target an account. We just have to change some of this language. So instead of AdStage being the network, we're now going to pick the network that the account is in. And for this example, I'll do a LinkedIn account. We change folder to account. And now we need the account ID. So to get account IDs, you can get them directly from the networks, or we have them listed here, or you can grab them from the URL if you click into an account. So I'm going to go ahead and paste this in. And now I should only get back the campaigns from that specific account. Now I'm going to show you another trick too. So that's how to use targets, and it's super helpful if you only want a particular tab or your entire sheet to be tied to a specific account. Sometimes you want campaign data and you don't want to have to do all this and then find the campaign ID and change this to campaign for every campaign. So instead, bring back your account data and use filters. And we discussed filters in an earlier video, but you can use this campaign name matches brand. So for instance, let's say we only want to bring back this campaign or any campaigns that have the word skills in them. So then I could just add my filter. I don't care about spend, so I just want anytime the campaign name has skills. And I don't know if it's case sensitive, so we will find out. It is not. So we see I filtered when the campaign name contains skills, and now I only have the campaigns back that match skills. All right, so between targets and filters, you should be able to get exactly the data you need. Have fun.